Hey, welcome to Obsessing Over Stuff. Let's talk about Riva Arora. She's a famous influencer and a child artist. It is really sad when the main reason that you're so much relevant in the industry is because your age is a mystery. Her age has always been a confusion. Nobody knows exactly what her real age is. जब भी उसको एज के लिए कुछ पूछा जाए, she would just dodge the question very innocently.
What is your real age? Guys, मैंने कहा था कि मेरे सॉन्ग के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस पूछो. This is not a song related question. And age is just a number.
And your age? इस पे तो आपके हमेशा ताला लग जाता है, ठीक है?
To hide in it. Malaika Arora, even after crossing 50 years, अपनी एज को flaunt करती है. But she's been so young, still she's hiding it. उसका रीजन ये है that Shiva Arora को बहुत जल्दी बड़ा होना था. Because as a child artist, you will only get age appropriate roles which are very limited. So, she wanted to take up work जो बिल्कुल भी इसकी actual age को suit नहीं करता. Which is why if you ever knew her real age, तो you will feel so awkward knowing the kind of projects and songs she has done. रीवा की मॉम ने उसको बहुत अच्छे से ट्रेन किया हुआ है. देयर वाज एब्सोल्युटली नो नीड दैट वो अपने एज के अराउंड इतना बड़ा सस्पेंस क्रिएट करे. बट शी ओनली डज दैट सो शी कैन गेट मोर रोल्स इन मूवीज एंड सीरीज. See, this is how Riva Arora looked like around a year back. You can clearly see that she looks like a young kid. But literally, in just a span of 2-3 months, her look completely changed. And she started looking like this. ये कोई normal transformation नहीं है. She started looking so much older than her real age. Now she's not at all looking like a kid. Everyone got shocked seeing this look. इतनी जल्दी कोई कैसे इतना बड़ा दिखने लग सकता है? There are rumors that she has undergone lip filler surgery and ये कोई hate spread करने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा but evidently दिख रहा है. Also, she has taken growth hormone injections at a very young age, like hardly at 15, because of which she started looking like this. Her mother, who is also her manager by the way, got extremely criticized that इतनी young age में कैसे उसको hormone injections लेने दिया. She should be rightly called out for that. When Uri got released, her age was not more than 10 years. Usme Riva was literally a child. And after 6 years of that movie's release, if you calculate, तो अभी उसकी age should not be more than 16 years. But this is how she looks.
यार, age reveal कर दूँगी तो मजा कहाँ रहेगा? Thrill of the
Mystery.
chase, man. Thrill of the chase.
It's my line.
That's his dialogue. That's why I looked at him at that. I think it's नहीं यार, I don't want to reveal my age. That's just who I am. It should be a secret.
जब भी एज की बात हो, एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर. आई एम हु आई एम. तो एज बता देने के बाद भी यू विल रिमेन हु यू आर ओनली. व्हाई क्रिएट सच अ हाइप? इट इज ओनली सो यू कैन गेट कास्टेड इन अडल्ट सॉन्ग्स जो बिल्कुल भी उसकी रियल एज को सूट नहीं करेगा. रीवा अरोरा का एक सॉन्ग आया था मीका सिंह के साथ एंड द लिरिक्स ऑफ दैट सॉन्ग वाज नॉट एट ऑल गुड इनफ टू कास्ट अ चाइल्ड इन इट. उस टाइम पे रीवा अरोरा वाज ओनली 15 years and मीका सिंह वाज 45 years. It looked so ridiculous seeing him dancing together like that, holding her waist and all. एक 15 साल की बच्ची hardly 10th standard में होती है. And she dancing like that in an adult song with a 45-year-old man was disgusting. She's not even an adult. इसीलिए तो उसकी एज रिवील नहीं कर पा रहे ये लोग, वरना अभी से ज्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म एंड जजमेंट मिलेगा. You think the audience is a fool? We have seen so many child artists, and we have seen them as they grow, like Jannat Zubair and Avneet Kaur. We have seen them working as a child artist in many movies, and we have seen them eventually and gradually looking like a certain age. But it is so weird that एक 10th standard की बच्ची ऐसे alcohol involved scene करे या cheap गानों पे dance करे. Also, recently, she posted saying that she got her doctorate degree. It's Dr. Riva Arora now, Doctor of Philosophy in Digital Influence and Women Empowerment. हर चीज में you add women empowerment, that doesn't make it logical. Everyone speculated after seeing this post that this degree is completely fake. The comment section got filled with people calling her out that she should have hardly completed 12th standard. ये डॉक्टर की डिग्री कहाँ से आ गई?
और बट भाई की स्पेलिंग गलत है. एक यूनिवर्सिटी की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर ऐसा अजीब लगा मुझे. है बट भाई भारत का झंडा तो ठीक कर लेते. अपलोड करने से पहले एक बार चेक तो कर लेते कि एआई ने बनाया.
First lying about her age and then about her degree. It's high time she understands that at least wait till you actually turn 18 to do the kind of work that would suit you. Anyways, that was the video, guys. Hope you like it. Thank you so much, and please subscribe for more. Thank you.